So the first thing I did, I grabbed two Dollar Tree Christmas tree, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach them together. And the way I did it, I just took a little branch from the Christmas tree, and I'm just gonna put them together and just go ahead and wrap it around. You have the choice of putting a little bit of tape if you would like for better attachment, or you can use E6000s as well. The next step I did was I just spread out the branches up, and I took all the branches at the bottom and put it all the way to the side and to the top. So when you put it flat, it will stay completely flat. Then I grabbed one of these. I got this from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue and attach it. So when you attach it, make sure you attach it to the middle pole of the branch of the tree. Then after that, what I did, I grabbed these little holder that they have in Dollar Tree as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and place some glue and attach it to the bottom. And the reason for this is to put the glass so it's then straight and it won't fall apart. Step I did was grab these flowers, and I'm gonna put some hot glue and attach it to the middle of the Christmas tree, just like that. I'm gonna put a few little things on the side so it can make it a little pretty. Then I grabbed the snow from Dollar Tree as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and place a little bit inside. And then I grabbed these glass. It's like not a glass, like plastic wine cup. I'm just gonna put it in the middle and then place my Christmas tree so it won't sink down, and place my little figures. And that makes my little figures stay right on top, just like that. And look how pretty this turned out. It looked super cute. Then I grabbed two of these little cute coaster and two of these door hooks, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart. I took this and just stretch it to the other side, and it came off very easily. So the next step I did was spray paint both of them in white. Then I took this ornament, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it to the top of the coaster like that. I'm gonna grab my hook, and I'm just gonna put some hot glue at the bottom, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the coaster just like that, and that gives me a hooks. So the next step I did was grab one of these little cute flowers, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the middle, and look how pretty this turns out. The next step I did was grab one of these picture frame from Dollar Tree. I took this gift bags, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. After I cut it out, I'm gonna grab my frame and put it on top to the size of what I wanted to cut it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out through. Then the next step, I'm gonna take my pictures and just put it inside like that. After that, I'm gonna grab the frame and just glue it so I could put it in on top of it like that. Then I'm gonna grab one of these lights, place it on top. I'm gonna go ahead and put my light around it. You could put it however you would like. And this is how pretty it turns out. Then I grab one of these foam board from Dollar Tree. What I'm gonna do is just, you could grab a ruler. I'm gonna grab a measure of 5 inches. I'm gonna split it into 4 parts, and they're gonna have 5 inches each of them. So then after that, I'm gonna grab you could grab a ruler. I didn't have one at the moment, so I just used that. But I already did it. Just want to show you an example. Then you're gonna just divide it 5 inches, a fourth part of that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my little knife and cut it out. Then after grabbing my 4 pieces, what I'm gonna do to the 4 pieces is just get a ribbon and cut it out and just attach it to your foam board, just like that, just like horizontal way, sideways. Just gonna place it like that, flip it around. When you please do, make sure you pull it very hard so it can be stretched out. So just continue doing this until you finish 4 of them, just like that. You're gonna grab another foam board and cut 4 more pieces, and these 4 pieces you're gonna go ahead and glue them together like that. You're gonna put some hot glue, and then attach them together. After you put some hot glue, what I did next was I put some tape around it and then just went all the way around. You're gonna need two of these, so you're gonna go ahead and glue two of these together straight long like that, just like that. Then you're gonna grab you other pieces that you already done, and you're gonna place it just on top. So just grab your hot glue and place it on top like that, like in the middle to cover that side. But before we continue attaching, we have to make two more of the same paw, but this one is going to be 26 inches. The other one are 36 inches, but we got to make two small, and remember it's going to be two small and four of them is going to be long. So it's going to be two of 26 inches and then four of 30 inches. So then I just went ahead and cut it, and this is going to be my small piece. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to glue all of them together, all the pieces. So I'm gonna do one long and one short, one long and one short. Make sure that when you're gluing them, they are like at the bottom, they are all the same, at the same level, the same length. So this is how everything turned out. As you can see, I have one long, one short, one long, one short, just like that. For the next DIY, I'm gonna grab another foam board and I'm just gonna go ahead and do 8 by 8. I'm gonna do 6 pieces of 8 by 8. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my square all the same size, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. When you're cutting it out, make sure you cut it out straight, as straight as possible. So when you put in the box together, it will look okay. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue cutting all my pieces until I get 6 pieces of them. After I get my 6 pieces, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it together. As you can see, I'm using the hot glue that I'm using is like a yellow color because I didn't have any more clear. Make sure you use the clear one so those red yellow spot won't show. And I'm just gonna go ahead and attach all the 4 pieces together, and then after I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my on top like that. So after I attach all my 5 pieces together, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab my light. I'm gonna put it inside my box just like that, and now I'm gonna go ahead and attach the final top. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hot glue and attach it to it. And as you can see, you can already see the light, how cute they turning out. And it's daytime, imagine at nighttime. So then I went ahead and grabbed my ribbons, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue at the bottom and attach it just like that. Then I'm gonna do the other side with the same way I did the first one. Just put some hot glue and attach it to the bottom just like that. Then I'm gonna take these cute little flowers and I'm gonna just go ahead and attach it to the top of the box. And look how beautiful they turn out. And this is how they look in daytime. You can even see the box and the light. Imagine once it's dark time and I put it outside. It's gonna look amazing. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And this is the final look. This is how it looks outside. I hope you give it a try because this looks amazing. The thing I forgot to mention was that I hot glued a long stick at the bottom so I can stick in the grass.